In this step-by-step tutorial, I will guide you through the process of installing Google Tag Manager on Webflow. One of the first things you'll need to do is install the Google Site Tools app. This is a critical first step because this app acts as the bridge connecting your Webflow website and all Google's web analytics tools. To get this app, you need to access the Webflow app marketplace. Once there, simply search for the official Google Site Tools app and initiate the installation process for your project. The next major step is logging in with your Google account. Ensure you're using the Google account that you will want to link to your web project. This is because your account will give you control over the analytics and data results. It's highly advisable that you use an account that you readily have access to, as you'll be managing your site through it. After this, there's a need to select and connect the correct Google Tag Manager container. Making the right choice here is absolutely crucial, as each GTM container is unique and associated with particular websites or apps. To connect your GTM container, open your Google Tag Manager platform and navigate to the Admin section. Here, you'll find information about your container ID. Copy this ID and paste it into the dedicated field in your Google Site Tools app on Webflow. Finally, you will need to configure the permissions and verify the integration. Google Tag Manager allows you to set permissions, empowering you with the ability to decide who sees your data and how it's handled. This is especially important if you have a team working on your site or if you have client-centric operations. To do this, navigate to the Admin section once again in your Google Tag Manager and select User Management. Here, you can add users, set permissions, or even remove users who no longer need access. Once you've set your permissions as needed, it's time to verify the integration. Checking this assures that your setup is correct and that you're ready to start tracking. And that ends your tutorial on installing Google Tag Manager on Webflow. Remember, installing Google Tag Manager is just the first step in a larger web analytics strategy. Always ensure to configure and use it properly to gain insights that will help improve your website.